Today we are going to discuss the sum of two odd powers. We have here from the previous video the sum of two cubes. So it is in the form quantity a plus b times quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. So the first term of the trinomial a is the square of the first term of the binomial factor. The first term of the trinomial factor, and the middle term is the product of a and b, which has a minus sign here. Here we have a positive. The last term has a positive sign or plus sign, which is the square of the second term of the binomial factor. And the answer for this is a cube plus b cube. So it is equals to the cube of the first term of the binomial factor plus the cube of the second binomial factor. And cube, or 3 to the power 3, is an odd number, odd power. So we are going to discuss now the sum of two odd powers. It is in the form quantity a plus b times quantity a to the fourth minus a cube b plus b squared a squared b squared minus a b cube plus b to the fourth. So you have here the first term of this polynomial factor is the fourth fourth power to the a to the 4 power 4, and we have here descending power of the first term of the binomial factor, a to the fourth, a cube, or a to the power 3, a to the power of 2 or square, maybe power a to the power of 1, they're not shown. So for the b, we have a b here, ascending power, power 1 here, not shown, power 2 or square, power 3 or cube, power 4 or the fourth. So, and also here we have here in the binomial factor a plus b. So here we have here the sign, the operation sign plus between them, and for here it is alternating. We have here a positive here, not shown because it does not depict anything. So, and here we have negative. We have here a positive or plus, a minus, a plus, a minus, and the last term a plus. So, and here in this format we are going to multiply a to each term. We are going to multiply a to each of these terms in this polynomial. So distributing a times a to the fourth is a to the fifth, a times minus 8 cube b is minus a to the fourth b, a times a squared b squared is plus b cube, a cube b squared, and a times ab cube is minus, this is minus, so minus a squared b cube, and here the last a times b to the fourth is, which is a plus, so plus a b to the fourth. Then we are going to distribute b also to each of these terms of the polynomial. So b times a to the fourth is plus a to the fourth b. B times minus a cube b is minus a cube b squared. B times plus a squared b squared is plus a squared b cube, and b times minus a b cube is minus a b to the fourth, and the last is p times plus b to the fourth is plus b to the fifth. So we have here, we can combine this one, since opposite sign, and this becomes 0, is also 0. A cube b squared, since this is plus and this is minus, becomes 0, and there's also uh, a a squared b cube is also 0 because this is minus and this is plus. And also here ab to the fourth plus, and this is minus, and this is minus and this is plus, so this becomes 0. This left now is this one and this one. So the final answer is a to the fifth plus b to the fifth. So this is, so we found out that multiplying a long binomial to this one is just equal to a to the fifth plus b to the fifth, and power 5 or fifth is an odd number, odd power. So just remember that a plus b, this is plus, and for a it is in the fourth. For the first term, the polynomial factor is in the fourth. This descending power of a, and b is ascending from 1 to 3 4. So that's it. For example, we have here 2x plus quantity 2x plus 3 times quantity 16 x to the fourth minus 2 24 x cubed plus 36 x squared minus 54 x plus 81 16x x to the fourth minus 24x cubed plus 36x squared minus 54x plus 81. So it is being multiplied to quantity 2x plus 3. So you are going to get the, you can simply make this one more clear. So This 16x to the fourth is from 2x to the fourth, and this 24 minus 24 x cubed is from 2x to the power 2x, quantity 2x to the power cube or 3, which is 8 times 3 is 24, and this 36 is from 2x, quantity 2x squared to the power 2, or this is 4x squared times 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. 9 times 4x squared is 36x squared, and this one minus, this is from 2x times 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 27 times 2x is 54x, and this 81 here from 3 to the power 4, which is equals to 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27 times 3 is 81. So we have here, this can be traced from 2x, 2x, which has 2x has a descending power here from 4, 3 to 1, and 4, 3 here, 3 to the power 1 to the power 2 to the power 3 and to the power 4. So the answer for this is, you just cube here 2x, and you just raise this power to the power of 5. So 2x to the power of 5 plus 3 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 is 32, and this is 243. If in case you, so the final answer is 32x to the fifth plus 243. If in case you don't know the fifth power of this one, you just multiply this one to this one. 32x times 16x to the fourth is 32x to the fifth, and this one 3, you just multiply this to 81. So 81 times 3 is 243, and that's it. Yeah, shortcut. Maybe you can look at this as complicated, because this polynomial has so many terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, but the answer is just 2 terms binomial with add power. So the first add power is cube 3, and the next is 5 to the fifth. How about for to the power 7? It is also in the form a plus quantity a plus b times, in this time a is to the power 6. The first term is a to the power of 6, and this is this descending. Next is minus a to the power of 5 b plus alternating plus a to the power of 4 b squared, and this is minus a to the power of 3 cube. This is descending from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for the power of a. For the power of b, it is ascending from b here to power 1, so b squared, or power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5, and power 6. And we have here a plus here. And this is alternating minus here, plus, minus, plus, minus, and the last term has a plus sign. And this is equals to a to the power of 7 plus b a to the power of 7 a to the power of 7 plus b to the power of 7. So the long multiplication here, if you just notice, this is a very long. How many terms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 terms. The answer is just 2 terms for binomial. This is the power 7, so this is the next add power few ways to have the next, which is the power of 9. You just make this a to the power of 8 and minus to the power of 7 and so on descending, and for b it is ascending, and 2 to the power of 8 in the last. And that may be a long, very long polynomial, but the answer is just like here, similar here, just 2 terms. That's it for and this is it for the topic of the sum of 2 odd powers. And remember that odd powers, odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided into 2 without a remainder 1. That's it. That is the odd number, odd power. The odd powers are from 3, 5, 7, 9, or if you want 11, and so on, as long as it is not cannot be only divided by 2.